I hope you are doing well, and today we will discuss a very important, that is pathology, important topics for second prof MBBS as well as NEET PG regard, and a very special announcement is there in the video. So let's begin. So the special announcement is that I am starting regular daily topic wise quizzes starting with pathology or second year syllabus right now on my page Instagram MedShots. Okay, the Akshat Juneja YouTube was renamed at MedShots. I hope you all are following. सो ना उसमें क्या होगा कि हम रोज 5 या 10 क्वेश्चन की, सपोज आपको पहले से बता दिया जाएगा कि सपोज टॉपिक इज एपोप्टोसिस. ओके, सो एपोप्टोसिस के रोज 5 से 10 क्वेश्चन आएंगे जो कि आपको आंसर करने रहेंगे उसमें, है ना. और पूरा वीक वो प्रोसेस चलेगा एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द वीक वी विल सी दैट विच पर्सन हैज आंसर्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट. जितना ज्यादा जिसका स्कोर होगा उस हिसाब से टॉप 3 विनर्स चूज किए जाएंगे एवरी वीक एंड दे विल गेट कैश प्राइज लाइक 500 फॉर द फर्स्ट, 300 फॉर द सेकेंड, 200 फॉर द थर्ड. ऐसे करके हम कैश प्राइजेस देंगे उसमें. उसके साथ साथ कुछ भी बुक्स, गिफ्टिंग कुछ भी आएगी, ऑल दोज विल गो टू दोज विनर्स. एंड ये डिपेंड करता है कि जितने ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे उतना ज्यादा कैश प्राइजेस मिलेंगे. सो मे बी मंडे से हम शुरू कर सकते हैं. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू गो. Link is in description. You can also type on Instagram med.shots and you can follow the page there. Press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the stories, so that you can, this is just for regularity, कि आप घर पे यदि पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं तो आपके दिमाग में एक रहेगा कि अच्छा आज मुझे एपोप्टोसिस के 10 क्वेश्चन करना है, आज मुझे ANS में से एंटीकोलिनर्जिक्स के 10 क्वेश्चन करने हैं. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू इन स्टडिंग रेगुलरली. ओके, एंड इसके साथ साथ और भी वीडियोस जो पढ़ाने की आने वाली सेकेंड ईयर की आई एम प्लानिंग राइट नाउ, तो उसकी भी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहेंगी. सो मेक श्योर यू फॉलो द पेज एंड ऑल्सो टेल इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स. लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद पैथोलॉजी IMP टॉपिक्स. जो इसकी PDF है, आई विल अपलोड इट ऑन टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एज वेल एज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स. You can also DM me on Instagram if you are not added to any of them. I will send you there. So now these are the important topics. The books या पेज नंबर जो है ये रामदास नायक के पेज नंबर्स हैं, बिकॉज यूजुअली एग्जाम टाइम पे काफी स्टूडेंट्स उसको पढ़ते भी हैं. So this is just for highlighting. बाकी if you are studying from starting and if you have studied Robbins, it's well and fine. Just mark these important topics from Robbins. Okay, so this is general pathology. A bit about general pathology, I have already told you that you need not to mug everything from Robbins. Notes will be more than sufficient in general pathology. Robbins will just give you a language kind of view in which you will understand things better. So these are very important topics, and particularly you should never miss on this apoptosis necrosis from here. Okay, and then obviously from this inflammation, entire thing of inflammation is important. Metaplasia, all these things are very important. Then continuing with general pathology, we again get some more type of inflammation. Coming back to miscellaneous topics. Okay, these are chapter wise given in Robbins, but पूरा chapter नहीं आता है उसमें से, कुछ important topics आते हैं. So I have highlighted that, so you can either take screenshot or I will send the PDF. So this is all about general pathology. Some more topics, miscellaneous topics from that allergic chapter 1, hypersensitivity reaction, as well as the last chapters which are genetics as well. Their important topics has been covered. So this is all you need to know regarding general pathology IMP topics. Again, these are also IMP for NEET PG as well, because question तो question ही रहना है ना. Then this is hematology. Hematology is although a very complicated unit because there are a lot of things involved there, but if you focus on these topics, I guess your hematology will become very easy. And you the WBC वाला जो part है, that is more tough, but it is also of high yield. So this is all about hematology. Then cardiovascular system, respiratory systems, these are in the part of systemic pathology. So in systemic pathology you will usually notice that people don't study much. They will say कि medicine और surgery का काम है, but I have again advised you, if you study it very well, your postings will also go well, you will also understand things. Okay, so you need to focus on these things at least, and please focus on pneumonia pretty well, because now COVID-19 is also a manifestation in which we see pneumonia. Okay, so if you know pneumonia, everything right from management to diagnosis, you will understand that COVID-19 has got many things related to it. Okay, so this is what you need to know. Then alimentary system, which includes liver, gallbladder and pancreas, these are the important topics. Liver is a very important topic for any of your exam. Okay, so please focus well on this, and these are the IMP topics. Then this is for urinary system and also for the genital system as well as breast. So these are very high yield topics for that again, and you need to study them. Then this is for endocrine disorders. So endocrine disorders is again a chapter which is very important in your clinics. Whenever you will go to posting, you will always see some patients of a particular disease which will be of endocrine disorder. So if you study it very well, it will be of high yield to you. Then these are your smallest units in pathology, which are very easy to cover, and you can cover them 1-2 days before the exam as well. And these are your skin, CNS and musculocutaneous disorders. Okay, these are not that much IMP, but usually 1 or 2 marks questions come from them. So this is all about important topics in pathology. I'll send the PDF. Make sure you pause the video right now, follow on the Instagram, and do not miss any of the quiz, and we will check through who all answered every day, and on the basis of consistency we will ensure that you get rewarded. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. On the similar grounds, I will also send the important topics of pharmacology and microbiology. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.